Are you tired of seeing that default footer at the bottom of your Google site? Today, I'm going to show you how to completely remove it in just a few simple steps. By the end of this video, your website will have a clean, professional look with no unnecessary footer in sight. First, open your Google site in edit mode. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of your page and you'll see the footer section. Hover your mouse over it and a small trash can icon will appear on the left side. Simply click that icon and just like that, the footer is gone. If you're using the newer version of Google Sites, there's an even quicker way. On the right-hand side, click on Pages. Select the page with the footer you want to remove, then look for the Show Footer toggle and switch it off. This instantly hides the footer from your site, giving you a sleek, minimalist design. And there you have it. Whether you prefer deleting the footer manually or using the toggle, Google Sites makes it easy to keep your pages clean and focused. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to try it on your own site and see the difference a footer-free page can make.